Opatafuor TV, your channel of truth.
Right now, AGYAPONG Mobi Biakwa Baba Opatafuor TV. Hey! TV of the moment. You see how do Ghana for na TV will be a body. Opatafuor TV. Opatafuor TV. Abusia unya bi share ya ko YouTube na ko search for Opatafuor TV. Na do news foforo kura ba. Na ansa na no beba no. Yentie we mra.
Opatafuor TV, your channel of truth.
Right now, AGYAPONG Mobi Biakwa Babiem. Ne fiada, ne dru fiada say ya. Ya jimro, ni afro Opatafuor Opatafuor. Asase anu na nsia. The global sia. Prophet Opatafuor. Odifuor mo akwaba.
AGYAPONG kese me.
Prophet Opatafuor.
AGYAPONG.
Odifuor. Wadio.
Yami o.
Odifuor de.
Jacob tumfuo ya dawromba. Tumfuo kese a. Ojo mo twere no a. Omo animu nwase. Efirimi mofra birim. Tumfuo na de me na mo abepim sa mere.
Okay.
Nti
Odi Israel Nyankopon na ne na.
Ona me ne na.
Umpa huhu bia biem.
Tumi bia biem.
Prophet Opatafuor.
The Holy One. Nti sa na hede.
Etie. Okay. Prophet na dia asam do. Ya shase YouTube. Dodo na ehwa woni de. Omunim ba bia ye di free ba. Na abrewa yipoma kwama. Ghana ni wiase afa na nyina Africa fa na nyina. Na won satellite wo da so bi. Opatafuor TV. Opatafuor na dia na entimi ya wanwade sei.
Mi adom.
Nipa dodo na fi se wa ya mre. Enso sa atam na uye bibie
me. Me papa owo me.
Okay.
Me di ankasa onfre me da. Onfre me nsu ayiri pebre.
Edin aja kude fra no.
Me a me papa onfre me nsu ayiri pebre. If say we say abra. Nsu obi awe pebre no obeba na me yiri pika. Na nsu obi a ayiri pebre bi a kire se de nsu no tumi otim o density.
Okay.
Edi the ya no mo yare die
se de bi keke
o and the we be see e court down wa bobo lawyer no wan kan say na nka so ka say
engosi hwe
gabo ase dami ase ka adwenkyere Opatafuor de tumi kase ya nyame nsam nesi.
Okay.
Na e den obi si wo de mahwe ho obi antimi famento ho
no credit
mo amohwe Ghana ase so your leaders
Ghana biemo
we dey man fa Ghana ase so
Africa nyina West Africa nyina
e say mo amohwe Ghana ase so all the West African states.
Okay.
Abrochrefuo mo amohwe nyina nyame adawroma asem den ne say Opatafuor TV enye YouTube channel alone.
Okay.
Ya launch no ewo ye satellite so chese uso TV ofia
Komoti ni so a
Komoti TV ni so a eno an say wa search for Opatafuor TV and now they rescanning.
Okay.
And now satellite so they uso TV na no wa rescanning and now they call a year baby
first na Metro TV
dano
boss Opatafuor
boy boss Opatafuor TV odi ekoba bia hwehwe so fiwe na hwe bia na Metro TV dano
boss
de
Opatafuor TV na gina mu
and now all rescan dey automatically Opatafuor no it takes the name automatically.
Okay.
Etibomodin na you TV ni free baby dan you free one time.
Okay.
Na efato ha Opatafuor TV eye movie enwom so enwom
ani so efe ana wo de na ni efe sa
se unim ade bi obema awurade nsa abambia no eye yi.
Okay.
What you say?
Okay.
Onyame tumi wo mu a wo ye de ya
ese we nyame nsa no.
Okay.
Opatafuor
Opatafuor papa ani achede papa ya pe nyina no ifiri osoro je nyame ho
ne nsam na eba
enti zenitefo a mo wiase.
Okay.
Nyame adom onyame nam Zenith sorry mpanyinfo so
okay
one na wa manamam
funders
ene Ghana hye so and almost establish TV station ye de babu anyame adwuma
okay
commercials nyina so it's basically a commercial one as such
okay commercial TV station
commercial TV station
obi akwanya ne da ho
akwanya da ho wo program bia wo movie bi pese yi ma wa you just come here then woni mpanyinfo abekasa then on behwe de sefata no ma yama etiaja nyame nhira o
all right
nyame nhira mo na
Opatafuor
Opatafuor TV who share so subscribe to the channel and share the video to a lot of people let it get to a lot of people. I think it's going to be of help to people.
all right abusia Opatafuor asase anu na nsia prophet Opatafuor wo kuma asebo hyen na amoten nka no na duru fiada say dia ya jimro Odifuor ko holidays and so ya yene no pampe just on me 40 minutes one hour pebi na yenya no man nko Odifuor ya bodada wase ya biem na de ya bisa wo de na kra de ya mpese ya be ha obebri wa bra wo TV aba se eja akora e ma home na ye hwese ya Africa leaders eja wo de sunsum nyuma ne no me bia wo de waso to fom wuram ye leaders ya wa Africa he omodem bo say na osi hu na isifa Odifuor
me dasi bebre big ups to all the African champions and I believe say muna mama Africa
Africa de we ya dan ya Africa.
I love Africans. What you say?
Odifuor.
Na mami can same way.
Okay.
Do you know say African as a continent?
Okay.
And Ghana as a nation and its citizens. When it comes to politics, we have been razzmatazz.
Prophet Opatafuor.
What you say?
Yeti Odifuor.
We have been razzmatazz because of these African politicians and their political campaigns.
Okay. Yeti Odifuor.
They come to us, tell us things to which they don't have those things that they are saying at heart. So sometimes I keep to myself where I keep on telling myself that these people come to us. No matter ready a policy amonka.
So manifesto the S or candy.
Let me tell you.
Na be there as okwaso obape. One ka ade a ebe shenu nkro be there di.
You see the issue until I'm going say we have been razzmatazz. O ma dada yen.
Enokre.
So now some of the African leaders e be performing ebi so de enye na me de me can it a general thing na ma standardize everything on Ghana.
Okay.
What you say? Ghanaian leaders ebi bom ho modern.
Okay.
Some of these ex-governments or my bedroom no ebi ayebi
Ebi performing.
ebi so akakakra.
Okay.
What you say? Now we share your current situation.
Okay.
When it comes to the political hemisphere, and you might be a teacher. You're sure,
okay.
During election days, people will leave whatever that they are doing, go out there, queue up under the hot Scotch sun, just to cast their vote to people that they think they deem it fit. Ghana. Now, after you cast your vote to the when they become president, what do we get in return?
Okay.
What are the laid down policies that contribute positively to the good, the goodness of the people?
Okay.
They are the normal year, and the boy year na yetete. Oh, it's the same old story.
Okay. It's
the same old story. So sometimes their policies are being written by some good professors. They just come out, read it out to you people.
Manifesto, no?
It's just a written document.
And so,
Looking at the current government in Ghana, they promise us a lot of things.
So yeah, now in the time on saying
how many years? Enaka am I in current government?
Pia we shemu preko. Say na osi hu na adu sifa.
Uti
na adu amamu no. Odifuor de ye address na adu mame.
I say opese
na bi me pesa wo de mami hu na adu amamu say na osi hu ni si.
Oh say I will not say onye bi. Na adu ye bi.
Okay.
But politically, mami nkan same way.
Meet you.
Yakoto aba.
Okay.
when he came into power, what have we gotten in return?
Nanado. So the free SHS aba.
Are we all students?
Yes, and Chirman and original.
Na yana yetias ye ni bi me ya njirima benyanko.
We say anya no nko. Free SH aba de policies bebre.
Ebi ni de.
Oh, bebre we di for.
What you say?
Metimi agada bi ama osisi.
Oh, the make no. What we get in return, it's a gargantuan. Listen, every regime, when they came into power, they had encounter with something.
Okay.
What do you say?
Okay.
Ukraine, what does Ukrainian war got to do with your government?
Normal.
And I'm sure say ututu ni oma yi a. Ye ni fu oni bi. Sa uti masi ya.
Obi ba ye ni hu akade ya ye de.
Enti na me kire o no, me kasa.
Okay.
Sa ututu ni oma yi a. Oh, and you man take you to that extent where you be depending solely on somebody.
Okay.
Misrano, I have this perception, this belief say. Say o rely solely on people and now onipa bi so a. At some particular moment in time of your life, those people will take you for granted. What you say? Those people that you think in times of a terrible situation, they will stand by you. No? They will take you to ransom. What you say? I have this perception, sir.
Okay.
Once you are a leader, no, you think ahead,
okay,
and you put things in place. I'm not saying this recounting to this current government.
Okay.
I'm saying right from Professor Mills, ex-President Mahama, to you can say Nanado Amamwe. When we voted them into power, what exactly did we get in return? It's the same story. The gargantuan and endemic fair price, high cost of living. Isn't that what we are experiencing? The same old story, right from Professor Mills to John Mahama to the current president. We have been experiencing the same story. So when I tell you, Ghanaians as a citizen and African as a continent, our political leader, when it comes to their political campaigns, we have been razzmatazz. They take things for granted. Because the ordinary citizens, we don't hold our political leaders into to be accountable. We just lead them because they come to us, they tell us things that they are not willing to do. And we just look at them. And during election days, they come to us and they just come in there, dangle carrot for an instant relief. They give us something just for us to vote for them. Are we serious as a nation? We are never serious. So always these people will take us for granted. Look at how things are so much acclimatized. Rebarbative subsidy orchestrated by these anomalous cabals. How people sit down, they come together and make things very tough for the ordinary citizens.
Prophet Opatafuor. Odifo na sa who follow politics is power.
Yes.
No somehow can
share the way nyoma asia yedin. Nyoma nyedin.
Emu adin.
Nyoma boa yedin.
Emu adin pa.
How and when did we arrive at 1 liter of gallon petrol and then diesel?
And say crowd dey eba from kakra.
Oh, na say
Isaiah basisi ade.
Et say there also was obi petrol price no. Akwa te say was obi edam yale. Na obusa say umani sika obede. Was mehoro ho na mare.
There's a damn no boy.
A damn no boy.
Prophet of
Do you know, sir? Bank of Ghana always come out with a new exchange rate.
Dollar rate.
Dollar rate. Claiming, sir, they are trying to bring things down. But do you know, sir, when you go out, there is the price are higher.
Market, you know.
On the mission.
Rate, you know.
It's the same.
Okay.
And per the various banking sectors, their exchange rate, does it necessarily connote to that of the tariff from the Bank of Ghana? On the mission. And you know, it's like,
things are
too much. so much acclimatized and your boy are jumping and then are there 10 cities na 50 cities
and then no and no man here to too rough
ya ntoaba
yet to aba but say I was say this year baby $1 and air high dollar no the phone say yeah hana ye
and I make sure you know
dollar jodi ni yedi
and you know being a political asset what do you have for us
almost dollar na nye sika enti ya dabia dollar kan ho na akokae na komia.
So with these innovative ideas and intelligence now we the ordinary citizens we perceive our leaders have it. They have knowledge.
Yeah, they are nsem.
And you know you adwene be say we perceive so omo adwene any innovative ideas and we voted for them.
So omo ne dollar no ko press.
So dear ni enya
emfa nto for my na dollar abo.
My fellow brother BAWUMIA krade
vice president.
Because when when ex-president MAHAMA was in power, look at how this man was chastising.
Load the doors.
Na nya load do na ne ho.
Say no onyama akonwa ne ho. Ba o ye de man no hu se no ma no nya se ni wo achi I said that meto no.
Now we keep on saying say nyama mu odin. But is it not the same president who keeps on designating a ministerial office each and every day, a new one?
Adwuma ne so.
Tell me what you say. Obia insist say the ministerial we say eso. But this said man now almost see on man he keeps on designating a new ministerial offices.
Anyway, odi for yetio. Yetio.
The political atmosphere when it comes to the African continent is the same story. Obia memo Obia 14/100.
Oh, Odifo.
I'm telling you.
Nanado performance in
Nanado 14/100.
African leaders.
Now, you see, go to Nigeria. Look at what is happening.
Some them to abanche into transition kromunye.
Listen, I'm talking of that old government, Buhari's government. Look at exactly what these Nigerians went through during the regime. Even still he's in power. So during the times of Buhari, fuel shortage, high cost,
they are affecting African, you know, and
it's not necessarily African. So, and then I may say,
and no,
a new mabia or nipa bi oh, I said I yes say,
who say Buapaye,
a new Buapaye, Tienye.
The world is a car, or my
who say. What I know is say, and Crofubio more upper hand, no. I said, diabro.
There's a big barbro.
A
woman.
Yes.
Opatafuor Opatafuor. Obia, sweet dear dinosaur, you bonny.
Oh, yes, Obi on more. Ubra Bonu did it now, and Cano. Yes.
And next year, you better to
yes.
Prophet Opatafuor.
Because they know, sir, some of we. Africans, you know, there was a shallow mentality. Yeah, narrow-minded people.
Okay.
Well, if you want to win them, you just give them something, put something in their mouth, and automatically they forget their pains. So this is some of the reasons why these political leaders they come to us. They give us something, and in return they expect us to go out there, queue up under these Scottish and vote in their favor. Because they have given us just ordinary 20, 50, and 100 cities. Oh, say political zone the economy from Nigeria. Just look at the recent electoral activities that took place in Nigeria. Look at what happened. How can you contest? And you people who INEC, I believe they are responsible for any electoral activities in Nigeria. How can you rig elections in favor of this man?
Yeah, honey, a commission.
What you say? Oh, not much in my way. So, already president. How?
Prophet Opatafuor.
So, they cannot say. How?
Matuase. Now, we are okay when you are bringing here. Among ones who are true. Say next year they kowa ni kowa. Amafo atwi omodia fa MPP. Presidential candidate kra. So who the only one nipa Mr. Kennedy AGYAPONG
Kennedy dey say.
Ojinam
oso opebi.
Ah,
okay.
Honorable Kwabena AGYAPONG so jinam.
Hey.
And kwada so MP akoto je no ya agric minister ojurom de no kra de aho ba wene ana wo bra panyini de oya da line alan also kutom de na ana yi me pese me bisa o se odifo Opatafuor odi esunsun nyuma de awiase me hu sofu bi a wo so wo yes spiritual works asen sampanyifo kakra mabubbo mudi unu BAWUMIA akora aka ho BAWUMIA na onyantwe ne tie ba ne dom bi ya ne yodo u esunsun ma odifo odi ohwade ko akiri panyifo mabubbo mudi obi safata omo sana osi hu omo spiritually
omo abbo mudi ne spiritually e two pen omudi da ho
ebidie dika ho
bia
prophet Opatafuor
nipa two pe
omudi wo soro
and wo spiritual
ana so omo na dia na se omo na hohom yadom
anya obi ahohom
ana omo wo ayusu amanfo sunsun panyifo ta
Opatafuor say me nka obi say MPP
okay
amanyokuo no nipa two pe
okay
and omudi wo spiritual
adom panyifo na ayu omuti no
nipa two pe na omudi e wo spiritual
na se nka na omunnim sunsun nyuma na
eye sunsun nyuma o dia na dia onipa na ya ma honhom na peke no
okay
what you say good also election when it comes to politics it has become something very spiritual and Africans we understand
yeah
what you say spiritually na enipa two per MPP sisi ankasa de mami nkasa MPP sisi ankasa Ghana spiritually enipa three no mudi down spiritual realm
omo pe Ghana konwa di
omo pe Ghana konwa
omo brebe no omo wo
mudi yetimi tie ni o mimi nka obi asem
o na mi tie ni Opatafuor mi tie ni ye
enipa three pe no mudi yetimi awura spiritual
odifo Opatafuor
tie ni o
asema o kai de emi hu
enipa three pe
na ntimi mete wase ana se nkae na aka no omo nyi susum nyuma eni ana
omo nyi obi age you see let me tell you say the physical things to overtake you you lose everything
na say bibia ji sa o ya no
spiritual
susumu no
say
one conquer how
so when to be conquer spiritual territories there wouldn't be any expansion
prophet Opatafuor
once our person
ye tua sikaya ye woman futu ma ya man
let me tell you
ya bia duma ya de ye nchintafo mo adwuma ye no
the spiritual realm influences the physical realm
okay
when you get that concept so if the spiritual realm influences the physical realm among these two which of these is supposed to be dealt with firstly
spiritual no dey me no ya adwene pa
it is obi to be prayed in the control spiritual one na be take lead
the all can spiritual no
eti Ghana nyina nipa 3 pe no mu din yetira beda sunsun honhom kese na nim
2 and 3
MPP mu nipa 2
okay
and NDC 1
oh okay until the whole Ghana ha no
nipa 3
and ya na presidential candidate bi ya be 19 no
omu nyina no nyame adom omanya sika
and omu person
omu kwashi bintu
sa mom na aka no
yes say ade no no matter what you do
one yesu
yes na tio yes say aboa ponchire ni wu a ene ehunu ni tenten
ya
omu po omu ni ehu omu tenten still omu nya part of the elections ebe koso no e omu sika no mbe wesi ne kwa eti among these 3 people no ene omu di akoto
okay
omu very spiritual
na say wo betwia fa obi so no na wo de woko
wo betwia fa obi so no wo ya spiritual works here
na so di mbekọ akoto ho ba wanye ni ye obi betwia
fa so enti omu miensa ne de se omu timi ye omu spiritual works mahama oye no spiritual works
oka ho ni din
oda ho ni din
brother mahama timi awura
da ho
odi o
oda ho
prophet Opatafuor
oda ho na Kennedy
akomprako
ni din da realms
no ya spiritual sa
na obeda una o ka say enti oto na ni kan ko ye ko bi fa pompobo ni mo na so
wo ni din da ho
ni din da realms
na ho abi
na alan
na me ona bo akoto mi abebo
akoto de sika no on famre ni mfa mu anyame dwuma nyame be sira no
prophet Opatafuor
onya part of it
onya spiritual
onya part of it
no honorable BAWUMIA vice president
BAWUMIA people are hailing him people are appreciating him
onya susum nyuma bia
but ni din ka spiritual ho me say o me nka so obi say so obetimi aye spiritual works in the yard and din be kwakoye dey akoto but
see ade
spiritual race
interview on ka
ene date ene fie ya me no kase
29th
ene fie me no kase
ananya 29th kola ene fie ada
ene fie spiritual race ya me no kan enipa trepe eno mukura eno ma kire no
okay
ex president Mahama Alan
ana Compreko
ana Kennedy
omiensa na sunsun
omu din daga na spiritual bomb
Prophet Opatafuor wa manti onam kwabra Japan why kwa sole pa o
mama nka se bi nshira
ojinya mi di Christo
I'm not against them but once you have not gained an upper hand in the realms of the spirit
nesa don so sofo na emra na
enye osofo
because sometimes me was spiritual father makata some person me could tell you
spiritual father how grounded is the person how fit is the person now you need spiritual father you know so for trying to you know man messing up that is why he couldn't fulfill his dreams But sometimes, you know, you might think you have a spiritual backbone. People who, in the realms of the spirit, not knowing your spiritual father is not part of it. Master, spiritual highways, no, Ghana, I ask you. It was spiritual father, but you know, I say, and
Prophet Opatafuor,
Master, higher spirit. Higher principalities from a different radar, different frequency.
And nipa me set me up penetrate.
Let me up penetrate.
Prophet Opatafuor.
What you say? Na mama ncha o ma de eketu. Mahama wa de ba kwa so oye.
Okay. Answer na head.
Oh yeah. Automatically oye
president. Hey, na no bet me dey atu Ghana.
There be.
Oye panyin.
Kennedy Japan. Our principalities too also no am settle.
How do you for Opatafuor?
Me so.
Prophet Opatafuor.
Honorable Kennedy Japan so person wey president.
O say the no ma mienu also ye.
Our principalities too.
Ahohom kese tu a.
Yes.
And o ji so kwasate o ma na opo o.
And yes so o deal de a o hwemu yi.
Prophet Opatafuor. Na Alan
there only any spiritual battle.
Na so dem. Na there na so ye. On ni hwe ye.
Onu there the only thing I make catching say on to ni oma yi.
Hey, Prophet Opatafuor.
Say Alan to ni oma yi a obetimi afọ because only any spiritual battle. What you say?
Prophet Opatafuor.
Because once you have an upper hand in the realms of the spirit, automatically the physical realm you have an upper hand.
Okay.
What you say?
Okay.
But Kennedy was spiritual problem.
Sir.
Yes, as a spiritual problem, material principalities, we say. Two.
One break you amount me ni
So it either obey break you man or no best to us. Not bow whether you bow to them or whatever, but what I'm trying to say is say
Oman go amon sama.
Say SAS and you principality two way. So man TV Canadian TV no man settle
ultimate president
in his dreams.
And former president
Mahama.
All the so called dividend na one be you see.
One.
One be you see.
My real fi say be am sha come am catch say na ade one bi na aka. To obi o hwe bia ya we.
Wakada.
One. E to mu mienu ni nyina no. Do obeya ni bibi ye no say. E bia Canada Japan.
Okay.
Any Alan Cash. Also me MPP. It is a Canada Japan Alan Cash. If they contest, let's say me can't say na be say fan say e bia
can't me solve ne principality
you are solving me can't you say wa on solving the problem say what me Alan contested na obu Alan to ho no be MPP presidential flag bearer na the principalities no
ontimi wo ma ontimi we ne presidential seat
walusu
sir
yes
sir assuming say MPP candidate no kuna de no ko
yes
na ba general election no ontimi ko sa ko mienu na ontimi we ne power da okay Okay.
Your friend Opatafuor.
Prophet Opatafuor. Prophet Opatafuor.
What you say? Ena Mahama so NDC for to abama.
Former president.
Yes. So mu to abama no. Nese say one problem no.
One solve. Ebesa ye ne last 4 years
in his dreams.
Ontimi samba. Prophet Opatafuor. Odifo Opatafuor.
Me nka obi see you.
Ende yenim dada.
Me come say.
Yenim dada.
Ente me kasa. Odifo bi ankoda nya ni ntuatoa no. What is said odifo bi hyenko.
Dabi.
This year abrotrefo na na ehwe no. Na hyenko mu no what is obi
hyenko. Na de me pia kakra. Because na ma unsa wo wura sunsun. Sani osie di MPP fo nipa bebrebe penema mpanyini. Na owura de enu mo nyina akra me mo din yo.
Utie. In their dreams. Some muska omfa mo anyamedwuma.
Asana omudi akoto ho bi.
Omudi entimi nkoto ho.
Na ombehu odifo. Bia ya kai odi esofu na hu abeka. Ya omba no betumi apushu omakotena bienu na adika ho no.
Ma min sire difo sire.
Ya difo sire no. Odifo Opatafuor. Mitio.
Inshiranka urade. Yemfa no suspend ho.
Sa.
What you say?
Mitio say.
But for the time
urade ni mo na ni bra bre no.
Don't forget now. On there, on be sika on yakoto wan yo. On be shum sika. BAWUMIA, it's physically that people are praising him.
Spiritual one cow.
On count mental BAWUMIA.
Minim sa.
Mental bia. Enti mo bi hu say prophet we bia. Oh, bias. Or he's being politically biased, right? I don't want people to see it that way.
Okay.
But the scripture says spiritual. This is what is happening.
Okay.
Into obia or to be solving the spiritual issues beyond they are eligible.
Okay. Otimi dinkunim.
All right.
Omusia odifo Opatafuor asase no na nsia. Prophet Opatafuor ne abon be pampe wa no. Awo yi nsem na de odi yewura sunsun mu na otinsem ya odifo ka ya ofise bia o ka no kwa kokohwem su wani a su kokohwem na ye hwedi etuo mu Prophet Opatafuor unsem aka de atwetwe ya so na ma ehukura aboye anu na wuko yi betu mu sa afi nyina wa nhye nkom na no de ntia odifo
sa jamia makachiro odifo Opatafuor nyese
wa tena wajudi awie
na Opatafuor
wa hu bi
unim na me pese abrochirefo no hu bibi
okay
any Ghanafoɔ odifo bi nkohye nkom a wose ene afiwe ye manfo be ware
na wale de se wale de bia ebia be dɔɔso a
na sika na wo here de ko ware
awi trem le we ya da wa
wa na di sika ko ware na offer ko investment
wa hweli ye
you see sometimes you know, I want to prove to the world when you talk about the prophetic unction
okay
it's meansem me me didn't come share
okay
drawing conscious
Prophet Opatafuor
and that was what I was created for
asa di ye ne de ekuta o
madana ubo me na me bo piti so
ya ba wiase ni nyina ye de bre o
oh na se nu akwana mi Jacob Tumfo ne te o
na fi we wiase nsa won ka bibia de na eba
ma me nka bibi wa America
da bi America de da bia
do we say some kesi America
no da be no
what you say
afi na eba
kesi na mo akwa mu eba
o de ye America
o ma me shen kom mo America mo di polito
da bi Africa for da bi afi bi America no o be pass
form president ni di polito
oh ye impeti ye fire sane na da bi America
Intimi nyai
ma America de fat
ma me wura UK susu e
da bi UK last year wo de ko okumo yin that's how you go UK let's see how the cast on him be wu a kentenkrenti yanti ase a o him ye de pamo no yan san ko UK ye de UK bi mo bi na akwaye no esu omom krom ni asumdie nko ho
intimi sai
da bi UK de
intimi ni na me o de me ni na me
UK de me de fa isa ne Ghana
ye na Ghana
ya ha na ye wo
okay Ghana ni
Ghana de ne pete ha na ye te na bia amano ne na ye wagya ye watwa ya abo kentenkrenti hwe de ko ye UK for fa si Ghana ha na ye hwe afi kentenkrenti sa ne ya na
afi u se afi Jacob Tumfo no wa nyisu kentenkrenti
okay
what you say afi we de Jacob Tumfo no yisu ye no tumi ano odin
Prophet Opatafuor.
If we say, ni 2 million no yisu na afiwe no.
Okay.
If we afori buchi ananim.
Odifo Opatafuor.
What you say?
2 million sane afiwe.
Obehwe afiwe so ankasa no.
Ayo Ghana ha no.
Ewiase.
Oi, wiase nyina.
Yes. 2 million efiri afori buchi ananim.
Okay.
Na afiwe no nam se 2 million efiri afori buchi ananim nti no. Afiwe no Jacob tumfo ni yi nchimiye ni hyiai.
Oyi dan ya odifo.
Nchimiye.
Ai Prophet Opatafuor.
Oyi nchimiye ni pie.
Eye tumi bia na.
Eye tumi kase ya.
E wosoro.
Hai.
No wayi pie.
Oyi nchimiye ni pie. Na nchimiye ni pie ye no. Mihu se oti nchimiye ni mu.
Okay.
What
you say? Apakan bia na.
Oh man de metre wase.
Okay.
Nchimiye ni pie ye no. Mihu se otumfuo no te. Eye nchimiye ni mfimfin.
Jacob tumfuo no.
Oti nchimiye ni mfimfin. Na mihu se atiasfo ba na nim baako.
Okay.
Otuko asase mfimfin. Na okoduru asase mfimfin no. Mihu se odom barima bi oyo kandifo.
Okay.
Na watofom. Na otofom no. Mihu se eye tutrubento miensa emu abo. Nti wo study a on say 40 days na me botto tutrubento.
Ye kra hu ye no san ye
hu
say da.
Nti afiwe ye tutrubento mra. Jeko tumfuo no mani kandifo ebo.
Okay.
Nti afiwe ye botto tutrubento. Ye de ahia Jeko tumfuo no. Na oba so a nam se odi nchimiye ni beba ni nti no.
Okay.
Aye mpimpim mu bubu anwan ka ho.
Also you 2 million.
Aye mpimpim mu bubu anwan wo ho.
Okay.
What you say? Na me hu se okandifo na tofom.
Okay.
No tofom no. Na me hu se omo bo tutrubento ne mprensa.
Okay.
Omo bo ne mprensa no. Me hu se eye onipa ne tofom no anya home ama ne kra. Eye Ghana.
Okay.
Asase mfimfin. What you say?
Okay.
Na me hunu se eye otofom o anya home ama ne kra no. Na me hunu se onipa nyina tiam. Onipa tiam no.
Okay.
Me tre se obofo ne ka kire me. O se sans e na atofom no.
Okay.
Na me busan se sans ne se o se o yesa okanifo ni din entoa no.
Okay.
Njijo bajansafo nko na betiba bu nkonta hunu sa odansini ni. Ndi sa ni din entoa no S O N S. What you say? Na nu na mitira nchimiye ni mu. Na mi di eye chinhia mframa na chi.
Okay.
Na mi hunu se wa pai mi po bi mu.
Okay.
Na mi wura sa mi po ni mu no. Mi hunu se aya agufufo ma ni bisu ejina ho.
Okay.
No ono so wato fom. No to fom no mutiam se oh. Oja anu na adum no. Oja na adum no oja no so no. Mi hunu so matwro no OJAA. Na mi hunu se oja no dum ye no.
Okay.
Na sa oja ni din no apepa afiri asase mu. Afi oni ho biem. Asase afa ne ko. Oni patiam.
Okay.
Nipa di areho na nipa di oyo ne.
Asase amene no.
Asase amene ne de ne ko.
Ai, Prophet Opatafuor. Afi. Odifo Opatafuor.
Yes. What you say? Okay. Na me hu ye.
Okay.
Then me ensa so ni. Na be ko hu say. Eye agufufo ma bi so ni.
Okay.
No ono so. What tofom.
Okay.
Na ye ni suo ni areho. No so ni din to ano no.
Okay.
Eye YS. Na me hu ye no, me hu say dom abochenku.
Okay.
No tiam no osu.
Okay. Ai, die sie no no.
What you say? Obi aka.
Tabi.
So obi ankan.
Tabi da. Ai, Prophet Opatafuor. That's also one kasara nkansa mafuye mu sei.
What you say? It is a major case we.
Okay.
Afena me hu express the MAHAMA so. What you say?
Ex-president
MAHAMA.
Sase.
Me shenu nko.
Abusia
me shenu nko.
Abusia higher Opatafuor TV.
Mama shenu nko mo.
Odifo twen. Higher Opatafuor TV. TV no nwanwa so akase no kura da satellite de so. Prophet Opatafuor yemre na yeme.
O mama shenu nko.
The okay twa to.
Mr. Express the MAHAMA.
Prophet Opatafuor the okay twa to. Mr.
What me say nkom?
Odifo Opatafuor. Nkom se de odi ato oro kura me nya mie mu wie. Na me ma sa kwahye obi nkom bi. Odifo de oka twa to ne ensole so.
Nyame na mayu.
Prophet Opatafuor. Ana na de uni bibia ka me ni for program isi.
Mu amohwe me. Me tia mo nyame nhira mo. Se de oka no. You know, aba decoder so.
Ko satellite no so.
Satellite no so.
Moti no so ano na moti
Moti no. Opatafuor TV aba
da so.
Call ne ko search Opatafuor TV.
Okay.
Said what church remona. Don't forget to share this video.
Okay.
And at the same time too, as you do the watching, just subscribe to this channel.
Okay.
And click on the notification bell so that in case of any new upload, you'll be the first person to get a notification. So after the subscription, click on the notification bell. I believe say unyami be share video no sumami.
Okay.
Time will be
all right. Abusia high Opatafuor TV. Saa na Odifo akasa satellite no so be san hu ye. Yade mu besi he na efiada asem ni fie enko famity enko to a kire ba bia. Prophet Opatafuor enkom hye na odi bia tu dwa no. Eno kura ye hu ye ho anu wie. Na wo twese de ye be saa de na ba. Me di o se kofi. Yade mu besi a.
Opatafuor TV, your channel of truth.